name's James Savoy. I'm a federal agent. My men and I are trying to track down an abandoned truck. It's a nice spread you got here. Too bad she's for sale.
Well, thanks. She's not. Not the truck, you mean?
Afraid not. You know, Mr. Yeager, we received a call from someone concerned about this truck.
Oh, no.
That wasn't you?
The thing I'm concerned about is you being on my property without permission. You know, we got a rule about people messing with people from Texas. And I don't know what truck you're talking about.
Kind of cost American lives.
Search the property!
What do you mean, search the property? You don't have a warrant.
My face is my warrant.
Wait, but if you guys do find a truck, we get a reward, right?
Viper 1-5, holding point Alpha. Charlie team, hold tight.
Lock it down.
Open, open, open. Short wall, short wall. 5 in, 5 in.
Intruder lunch, back away from the premises.
The hell is that?
Just some dumb inventor.
Clear.
Clear right.
Clear.
36720. Heads on a swivel. Let's go. There's nothing here. There's no signs. We got nothing.
Sir, we have a live armed missile in the trash.
Live? I carried that to the trash. You told me that was a dud, dude.
Could be dead, right? Look, okay, yes, I found a truck, all right? I towed it back for the parts. I left it here last night. This morning, it's gone. When, where, I don't know. I swear to God, that's as much as I know about him.
Him. They said him.
He knows who the son of a bitch is.
Mr. Yeager.
What?
Excuse me. You just said him.
Take him down.
What?
Ow! Let me go!
They don't know about the truck. I know. Just let her go.
What kind of a man betrays his flesh and blood brethren for alien metal? Get this guy out of my sight.
Let her go. They don't know about the truck.
All right, load up. Touch the perimeter.
It is you!
No, I don't know any of these scary guys.
God, you're manhandling a woman. I'll kick your ass.
Let her
Get
go.
off. Daddy!
You're not
Let
going
me
anywhere.
go! Daddy!
No, they're not taking me anywhere. I'm an American.
Sweetheart.
Okay, all right, I was wrong.